Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I have a card to share with you, but I am joining hashtag 2 crafters 1 design. That's Melissa with Mo Creations, Lisa with You See I'm a Diva, and Gloria with Girlier's Cards. And what they do is they provide a prompt each week and then ask you to create items and then share them on Saturday. And this week's prompt is monochromatic. I'm also joining hashtag #SatMoreMakes, and that's Jill. She's Jillian Norwood Designs Greenwood Girl Cards. And what Jill wants all our crafters to do is to create during the week and then upload your designs on Saturday. And so I'm joining that one too. So let me share with you what I use to make the card. First up, from Spellbinders, these 5x7 matting basic, the A and the B. So there's several dies in here for you to create those really nice bevel edge cuts, and I used one from each set. And also I'm using this sweet little die that I purchased off of, I think, AliExpress a few years ago. So inexpensive that I got two, and I used that on the card. And then for my largest element on the card, I used this large die of the month from September 2022. This is Spellbinders Blooming Heart. So I was sitting here thinking maybe I'll make a Valentine's Day card, and I was like, I don't really have a large heart that I can use. I could cut out one on my Cricut, but then I remembered this set and decided to use this set for my whole entire card. So that's Blooming Heart from Spellbinders, large die of the month, December 2022. So now let's take a look at this creation. So here you go. So you can see my color was red, and I used cardstock that I get from Joanne, the basil cardstock. But then I also used this really pretty glitter cardstock from Cricut to kind of bling it on out. I think the card is super simple. I cut the love out on my Cricut. I didn't have a die that just had love. And then here's a little bit of that little sweet die that I showed you earlier. And then I highlighted some of the flowers using the red glitter paper. So when you look up monochromatic, it says, you know, one color, or you can use the several hues of the same color. So that's what I did here, several hues of red. I popped up the heart using some dimensionals from Spellbinders. I love how it's overhanging the glitter paper. That was just a happy mistake, I guess you could call it. But here's my card. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for all your support. And have a great day. Bye.